1950s Classic Men's Grooming presents How to Style a Crop with Union Texturizing Créme. Reset your hair with water to its natural position. If applicable, heat dry in order to diffuse your hair. Once achieved, scoop some Union Texturizing Créme, then rub evenly onto the palm of your hands. Next, apply the crème vigorously to your top. Now, add extra texture by finger combing in a messy forward direction. Should you fancy more of a drier crop, you may use a blow dryer once more post-application. Finger comb for finishing touches. Get yours in this handsome package today.